Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by clearing a small work zone and powering the detector. Doing this prevents false targets. Once done, set ground balance to match soil and run a short calibration sweep because the detector adapts to mineralization. Make slow overlapping swings at half your walking speed and flag each consistent tone. You want repeatable responses, not one-off blips. Mark them with a small flag or rock so you can dig efficiently without rescanning the same spot. Now you narrow targets using cross swings. Swing north-south, then east-west to form an X over the loudest tone because intersection centers the target. Once located, reduce sensitivity slightly to avoid chatter from nearby trash. Probe gently 2 to 6 centimeters to verify metal without destroying context, then excavate with a trowel using precise cuts to preserve surrounding soil. Keep loose soil in a bag beside the hole for tidy refilling. This saves time and keeps your search area organized. You finish by extracting the item carefully, then rescan the hole and its spoil pile to catch any missed pieces. Doing this prevents returning twice. Once clean, replace soil in layers, compact lightly, and restore the surface so the area looks untouched. If you encounter constant false signals, lower sensitivity first. If that fails, rerun ground balance and inspect the coil cover for damage, because most noisy issues stem from interference or a worn coil. Adjust settings and try another test sweep to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.